Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the cosrx oil-free ultra moisturizing lotion. This product retails for $25. This is a really exciting product to try for me. One, because I love the ingredient birch juice, and two, because you all have recommended this for me. Now, oil-free moisturizers don't always mean that they won't clog pores and cause acne, but typically they are more designed for people who are oily to combination, and that perfectly describes me during the summer. I am also acne prone. Oil-free moisturizers can sometimes though mean that a moisturizer is more designed for acne prone skin, but it's not a guarantee that it won't clog your pores or cause acne. That's just something I'm going to keep in mind when going into this product review. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The main things I'll be looking for with it include how does it feel on the skin, how moisturizing is it, and does it cause any acne. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. It has a texture that is extremely lightweight that I was expecting when something is labeled oil-free, especially when it comes to a moisturizer, but it definitely is very hydrating and gives a beautiful glow to the skin without feeling greasy. The closest texture that I can think of right now is the Current State of Skin Gel Cream Moisturizer, but this one is a little bit more nourishing, and I do enjoy the ingredients of this product a lot. I take about 3 pumps of this product to go all over my face. And I love how lightweight this product is. Now this is mainly better, for me at least, as a daytime moisturizer because I am combination and my face gets a little bit oilier in my T-zone and then drier on the outer perimeter of my face. It absorbs practically immediately and doesn't leave much of a finish on the skin, and I'm noticing that it's hydrating enough for my drier areas, specifically during the day, but at night I do like to go in with a little bit of a richer moisturizer. Not that this one doesn't do the job, it's just not as nourishing as I need in my drier areas. I do sometimes apply 2 moisturizers to my face, but really this is not my favorite nighttime overnight moisturizer. This is more of a daytime lightweight gel cream to me because it is nourishing but extremely lightweight in my opinion. You can see there it doesn't really leave much of a finish, it just kind of absorbs immediately. I'm loving this product though, it's seeming to work great for my skin so far. I'm going to continue using it and I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this moisturizer. I'm so glad I discovered this product because I feel like it's become a holy grail moisturizer for me. This is coming from someone who's a huge fan of the Round Lab Birch collection, and the birch juice in that product has personally worked well to correct some of my acne. This moisturizer was no different, and it is honestly more affordable than the Round Lab Birch moisturizing cream, which I really love that product. I still love it. I feel like this was more of a lighter weight version of that because it is oil free. Not to say that this isn't designed for any skin type. I personally found this to be a very nice, lightweight, and refreshing gel cream. It was a beautiful texture, and I love the supporting ingredients in it. I didn't experience any new acne with this product. I actually feel like it was correcting some of my acne as I continued using it. It's a really impressive gel cream moisturizer, and I would recommend this specifically more for combination to oily skin. However, I am more dry around the outer perimeter of my face. I do have combination skin, and it is the summertime right now, but I feel like this could be a great option for any skin type. It has great ingredients in it, but it was mainly designed, in my opinion, for oily to combination skin. In the winter, I may not prefer a product like this because I like to go for something a little bit more nourishing, but this was the perfect summertime moisturizer for me. I'm glad I finally came around to trying out this moisturizer from cosrx. It was honestly just a product that I overlooked, and then when I saw it had birch sap in it, I was very intrigued by it, and I'm glad that I tried it. This is a really impressive gel moisturizer in my opinion. I saw nothing negative with it, and so I would 100% recommend trying it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.